Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okorodudu Okbe and you are welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I maximize my kitchen food items and turn them into a DIY deep conditioner, which is quick, easy to make and very moisturizing. This deep conditioner is perfect, especially during these times when it's hard to go out and find hair products. So if you'd like to see the final results of this homemade deep conditioner on this very dry hair, keep watching. First thing we would need is some rice water. I make my rice water myself, so if you'd like to see how I do that, let me know down in the comment section. Next, I'll be using two different types of mayonnaise, and yes, you heard right, mayonnaise, the spread and the hair mayonnaise. Mayonnaise contains egg yolks, vinegar and vegetable oils, all which work together to prevent the ends from getting dry. They strengthen the hair follicles, they add shine to the hair and strengthen from root to tip. Next, I'll be using some honey, which has both emollient and humectant properties, making it a great hair moisturizer. Eggs are a great addition to this homemade deep conditioner. Eggs are packed with protein that help nourish your hair. It also contains biotin, which helps improve the hair's elasticity and minimizes breakage and damage. Next, I'll be using my Shandy Naturals Chebe powder. For more information on the benefits of Chebe powder, I'll leave a link down below to a more in-depth video by Amal Omar. I'll also be using some oils, and no, I do not mean groundnut oil. Coconut oil will also be a great addition to this deep conditioner. Next, I'll be using some glycerin, which attracts moisture, promotes hair growth and makes it easier to detangle. I'll also be using some castor oil. Castor oil protects against breakage and improves hair texture. For mixing the deep conditioner, I'll be needing a plastic bowl and spoon. I'll be starting with the mayonnaise. I want to start with the cream products first, and then I'll move on to the oils and then the powder. I'm not really talking about the measurements because I feel like it's to your preference and to your hair type, your hair volume and your hair length, but I used 1 spoon each. Chebe powder is anti-inflammatory, it moisturizes the hair and it balances the pH of scalp. Once all the ingredients are added, the next thing is to mix thoroughly to get a smooth paste. If you feel it's necessary, add some more.
I'm shy for some more. For some more.
Now that I'm all done mixing, I have the perfect paste, which is not too runny, not too thick, it's just right. Now that we're all done mixing the DIY deep conditioner, it's time for the application to my hair. My hair is really dry because the last time I had a wash day, I did not moisturize, I didn't do anything. I just twisted and matted down and now it looks like this. So yeah, I really have high expectations for this deep conditioner, and I am hoping, although I've never tried this combo before, it changes things. So next, I'll be taking my rice water and spritzing it a little bit on my hair just to detangle from all this mess. And yeah, if your hair is already detangled, you just need to spritz with any kind of water, rice water, normal water, and just make sure your hair is wet. So while I detangle my hair, I make sure to put them in sections because I believe that doing your deep conditioners or doing anything on your hair in sections just makes it way easier and actually faster. Once again, if you'd like to see a video on how I make my rice water and also use it during my wash day and just my basic hair routine, just leave a comment below and I will be more than happy to provide that. So now that I am all done detangling and I have put my hair into sections which I am going to work on, it's time to actually apply the product to my hair. So I take my rice water again to spritz on my hair just to make sure it's wet because that just makes it easier for the deep conditioner Next, I section the hair into two just to make it easier to apply. I take one section and I put away the other just so it doesn't get in the way. So I'm going in. I carefully and as evenly as possible apply the deep conditioner all over my hair, starting from my ends to my roots. Also, make sure while applying this deep conditioner you avoid your scalp, because chebe is not an ingredient that should be put directly on your scalp. Once I'm done with that section, I twist it down and I do this all over my hair. Once I'm done applying the deep conditioner to all the sections, I take what's left and I rub it around my hair. Make sure you get your edges and the back and the sides. Just make sure you get all over your hair. Once I'm done applying the deep conditioner to my hair, I place it in a plastic cap or bag. I will be using a bag today because my plastic bag is stretched out. Once you have done that, you just leave it to sit for about an hour plus. Alternatively, you can use an electric steam cap or heat cap for about 30 minutes. You could also use a towel, a warm towel, and wrap it around your hair. I'll be using mine, which is from Shandy Naturals. I'll leave a link down below where you can get it. I had to take a breather. There was a lot of heat, so once the 30 minutes are done, I take off my heat cap and I rinse out my hair, and then I use some conditioner to rinse it out as well with warm water. So now I'm done, I'm back, and it's time to show my final results. My hair is still a little bit wet, but as you can see, it's very, very fluffy. I must say I love the results, and I'll definitely try this deep conditioner again. This Mayonnaise DIY deep conditioner, I'll definitely try it again. I love the results. So my hair is definitely moisturized and definitely a long way from where we came with that really dry and brittle hair. I love the results. I just have to say it again, I really love the results. If you like this video, please subscribe, leave a comment down below, like, and of course follow my social media accounts. Thank you for watching. Bye.